This is a 2014 GMC 2500 with a 6.0. We've got a dual mode exhaust system we just put on it. The dual mode electric cutout valve on it, as you can see. So you can switch it between quiet dual exhaust, like it is running out the back with the Magnaflow, back to a wide open, loud, single chamber V-tube muffler. You can have your cake and eat it too. Let's see what it sounds like. Now that's the regular out the back mode. Back on to the Magnaflow. And then we'll switch it to the V-tube muffler. And then back to the Magnaflow.